Here is exam 3, problem 1. And in this, you're told you have a Poisson with lambda equal 3. And, we don't want to run out of whatever a grocer stocks a certain article. We don't want to run out in that week, so we'd like that probability of running out to be less than 0.01. And this is kind of a funny one because people rightly came up with, the probability that x is less than or equal to 7 is equal to 0.988. And so that means 1 minus the probability that x is less than or equal to 7 is equal to 1 minus 0.988, which is 0.012. And so that would say, if then you answered that we should do more than 7, the problem is if you go with 8, so you let x equal 8, then the probability in that case, so we've got probability of x less than or equal to 8 is, what the heck is that? 0.996, and with some change, 9962 we'll call it. So that means if you stock 8, then there is a probability 1 minus x. Then that is 0.0038, which is indeed then less than 0.01. Okay, so here's the thing is that is what you want, is you want my probability of running out to be that size. So we want this probability, not that probability. Okay, so because if we take 1 minus this probability, we get 0.012. So I need 1 minus this, probably less than or equal to 8 to get 0.038. But this is the probability that x is greater than 8. Okay, not greater than or equal to 8, but greater than 8. And so, you could say you need to stock greater than 8, which would be 9 or 10 or whatever. So probably the answer, one is looking for is 9. But technically, right, you just need to say, well, I need to stock greater than 8. Because I could stock 10 or 12 or something, but I don't need to. So that's the thing. You got to be careful with that because, people were computing these correctly, but not interpreting them correctly, because, you know, when you do the 1 minus and the 1 minus, you know, this 1 minus is the probability that x is greater than 7, okay, or in other words, greater than or equal to 8 if you wanted to do it that way. But so 8 doesn't make it yet. And so when you do 8, you get this many, this probability. And so now that's small enough here. But see, what you're really interested in is this probability. And that probability, that 0.0038, doesn't come from stocking 8. It comes from stocking 9. Okay, because of this 1 minus thing here. Okay, so you really, the answer is that you want to stock greater than 8. All righty, so there's number 1.